If you're looking to cut down on your energy bills and reduce your carbon footprint, stay tuned. These gadgets will revolutionize the way you manage your home. Today, we're diving into eco-friendly smart tech that can save you energy and money while helping the planet, where we explore the latest in smart technology to make your life easier and more sustainable. Welcome back to Tech Trends Central. Number 1. Introducing the Nest Learning Thermostat, a smart device that's more than just a thermostat. Designed to blend seamlessly into your home, the Nest Thermostat is packed with innovative features that make controlling your home's climate easier and more efficient. Right out of the box, the Nest Thermostat's design catches your eye. Its minimalist, high-resolution display and smooth, rotating dial allow for easy adjustments and an elegant look that fits any decor. But what really sets it apart is what's inside. The Nest Thermostat learns your preferences and schedule within just a few days. It automatically adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable when you're home and save energy when you're away. And with the Nest app, you can control it from anywhere, whether you're on the couch or on vacation. Energy savings are at the heart of Nest's design. It's been proven to help users save up to 12% on heating and 15% on cooling. With features like Home/Away Assist, it ensures your HVAC system isn't running unnecessarily, putting money back in your pocket. And when you see the Nest Leaf, you'll know you're saving energy. It appears when you choose an energy-efficient temperature, guiding you to make smarter choices. The Nest Learning Thermostat, it's not just about controlling your home's temperature. It's about creating a more comfortable, energy-efficient, and smart home. Welcome to the future of home climate control. Number 2. Introducing the TP-Link Casa Smart Power Strip, the ultimate power solution for your smart home. With 6 independently controlled outlets and 3 USB ports, it's designed to power all your devices while giving you total control. With the Casa app, each outlet is individually controllable, so you can turn on or off specific devices, set schedules, or create scenes that fit your lifestyle. Imagine automatically powering down your entire home office with a single tap or setting your coffee maker to brew right before you wake up. Need hands-free control? The TP-Link Casa Smart Power Strip works seamlessly with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Samsung SmartThings. Just use your voice to control any connected device from anywhere in your home. But it's not just about convenience. Safety is a top priority with built-in surge protection, ensuring that all your connected devices are protected from unexpected power spikes. Peace of mind for your valuable electronics. From powering up your smart home to managing your energy usage, the Casa Smart Power Strip is as versatile as it is intelligent. Whether you're at home or on the go, you'll always have control at your fingertips. The TP-Link Casa Smart Power Strip. Simplify your power needs, enhance your smart home, and stay connected to what matters most. Number 3. Introducing the Sense Home Energy Monitor, the smart way to track and manage your home's energy usage. With real-time insights into how your household appliances and devices consume electricity, Sense helps you take control of your energy bills. The Sense Monitor connects directly to your electrical panel and uses advanced machine learning to identify and track the energy usage of individual devices in your home. The app gives you a clear picture of where your electricity is going, from the fridge to the washing machine, and even those always-on devices. Worried about leaving something on? Sense sends you instant alerts when devices turn on or off, so you can catch energy hogs before they run up your bill. It's like having a personal energy assistant right in your pocket. With Sense, you can set goals, track trends, and even compare your energy usage to similar homes. It's more than just monitoring. It's about empowering you to make smarter choices, reduce waste, and save money. The Sense Home Energy Monitor. See what's happening in your home, reduce your energy footprint, and start saving today. Number 4. Introducing the Reikio Smart Sprinkler Controller, the intelligent way to water your lawn. Designed to keep your yard looking its best while saving water, Reikio puts control of your sprinklers right at your fingertips. With the Reikio app, you can easily set customized watering schedules that adapt to your local weather. Rain in the forecast. Reikio automatically skips unnecessary watering, ensuring you only use the water your yard needs. Track your water usage and see real-time savings with Reikio's detailed reports. You'll know exactly how much water you're using and how much you're saving, good for the environment and your wallet. Need hands-free control? Reikio works seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant. Simply use your voice to start or stop watering, making lawn care easier than ever. VoiceOver *. With the Reikio Smart Sprinkler Controller, you're not just watering your lawn, you're making smarter, more efficient choices for a greener, healthier yard. Number 5. Next, exploring the ecobee Smart Switch Plus, a smart light switch that does more than just turn your lights on and off. With built-in Alexa, you can control your lights, set timers, and ask for weather updates, all hands-free. It's also energy efficient, thanks to occupancy and daylight sensors that automatically adjust your lights based on room use and natural light. Plus, it adds security to your home with motion detection, sending alerts if unexpected movement is detected. If you want a smart switch that goes beyond the basics, the ecobee Smart Switch Plus is a great choice. Number 6. Meet the Ring Solar Security Camera, your 24/7 watchful eye, powered by the sun. Combining advanced security features with sustainable energy, it's designed to keep your home safe day and night. With its built-in solar panel, the Ring Solar Security Camera stays charged year-round, eliminating the need for constant battery changes. And with 1080p HD video, motion detection, and customizable motion zones, you'll never miss a moment. Get instant alerts on your phone whenever motion is detected. Whether it is a delivery at your doorstep or unexpected movement, you'll have eyes on your property from anywhere. And with two-way talk, you can see, hear, and speak to visitors in real time all through the Ring app. It is like being home, even when you're not. Equipped with infrared night vision, the Ring Solar Security Camera delivers crystal-clear video, even after dark. So you can rest easy knowing your home is always protected. The Ring Solar Security Camera Smart, sustainable security that shines, no matter the time of day. Number 7. Introducing the iRobot Roomba E5, the smart, efficient way to keep your home spotless. Designed to handle everyday dirt and debris, the Roomba E5 takes care of the cleaning, so you don't have to. Equipped with dual multi-surface rubber brushes, the Roomba E5 adapts to different floor types, capturing everything from fine dust to larger debris. And with 5 times the suction power of previous models, it ensures a deeper clean with every pass. Powered by intelligent sensors, the Roomba E5 navigates effortlessly around furniture, under beds, and along edges, making sure no spot is missed. It's smart enough to avoid obstacles and gentle enough to clean around your most delicate items. With its high-efficiency filter and large-capacity dustbin, the Roomba E5 traps 99% of allergens, pollen, and particles as small as 10 microns, keeping your home's air clean and fresh. And with the iRobot Home app, you're always in control. Schedule cleanings, monitor performance, and start or stop the Roomba E5 from anywhere, so your floors are clean, whether you're home or not. The iRobot Roomba E5, powerful cleaning, made simple. Let it do the work, so you can enjoy the results. Number 8. Introducing the Nokia Sleep, also known as the Withings Sleep Analyzer, your personal sleep expert that helps you understand and improve your nightly rest. Placed discreetly under your mattress, the Sleep Analyzer provides advanced sleep tracking, analyzing your sleep cycles, heart rate, and even detecting snoring. The HealthMate app delivers a comprehensive sleep report each morning, giving you insights into your sleep quality, duration, and patterns. Not just data, but actionable insights. The app offers personalized advice to help you achieve better sleep, whether it's adjusting your bedtime or improving your sleep environment. It's like having a sleep coach at your bedside. The Nokia Sleep also integrates with your smart home. Set it to automatically adjust the temperature or lighting based on your sleep phases, creating the ideal environment for restful sleep. With the Nokia Sleep Analyzer, understanding and improving your sleep has never been easier. Wake up to better mornings every day. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about these smart tech innovations, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and insights.